This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. Contract the discount once signed up with an account. Link in description below.
1/4 mile, turn left on Allen Street.
Morning guys, it's December 12th, 2019. On this one here I got a call for a cellar that's flooding with water. And guy's never had this problem before, and he said it's not smelling like sewage, so I'm thinking it's a water line under the ground that's bringing water in somehow. But he's got some pumps. I guess he went over there and rented some pumps trying to get the water out of there. He says there's a lead line underneath the floor, which if that's leaking out, that would put continuous water into the house, you know, because there's a lead line under the floor. There's this copper coming in from the city and then goes through a water meter.
Turn right on Rockdale Avenue.
So I'm going to go over there and maybe punch a hole in the cleanout cover, drain the water out of the cellar, and so we could work over there. I have worked with this lady before. That's an older lady. I guess it's her son-in-law that's trying to help her out now or whatever, so but I'll have to put on the boots for this one, I think. It's gonna be dark and dingy down there. I have to bring like a flashlight because it's, you know, underwater. Try to get you some shots. Miss Molly wanted to stay home today. It was cold out, so she don't like the cold. I don't blame her. Try to get you some shots. Cold today. I mean, the high is going to be like 32, so this snow's not going to melt till tomorrow.
270 on it, one's bright and one's not, so I think you just put it on the low setting. Turn off the pump. So.
Yeah, so we got a couple inches here.
Yeah. All right. Do you need me over there, or?
You want to get your feet wet? No?
Not really.
All right. Let me see what's going on.
I can go.
Yeah, it looks like it could be gray water. No?
I don't.
Where is it? To the left or the right?
To the right. So that looks like poop right there.
Does it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a floater.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what it is. You got sewage backing up, guy.
All right.
I didn't think it was the... Yeah, I could kind of smell it.
Yeah.
Yeah, sewage.
So how do we remedy that?
I can give you a guy's number that does it. You can see all this stuff all floating here. See all this shit floating?
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, sort of.
That's sewage.
All right.
Yeah, I'll give you a guy's number. He might have to come and pump it out, but he's got to snake it.
All right.
Wow, it's dark down here, but you can...
Yeah, all right.
Yeah, it's shit water. So what's happening is the main line going out's blocked, and she's taking a shower and everything, it's not going out.
Going up, yeah.
And it's backing up.
Yeah.
So you got a leak somewhere, so, you know, if it was going up into the house, you'd have no leak, but this is an old system. I'll give you a guy, yeah, so you got some floaters here.
Yeah. Yeah, I just noticed that.
All right. Nothing I could do with that. I'll give you a guy's name, number.
All right.
Definitely,
All right, so I probably...
yeah, see the old lead line coming up. You got a lead line under the floor, but that's not what your issue is.
Yeah.
That's lead.
Yep.
Wow.
That's probably not good, right? Is that good idea?
No, you got a lead line running under the floor. I mean, it should be put up on top,
Yeah.
a copper line.
I mean, that's probably a good idea to do that anyway, right?
Well, it's not leaking. That's all brass. You got some brass there, but we could clean that up. But you got to get this line out of here. Yeah,
All right.
cleaned up.
I mean, the city is... Should we call the city on that, or?
No.
No? Okay.
Quick flow drain service.
Backing up the sewage.
And that's tied into the sewer also, storm and sewer. So that's where
Yeah.
your water's coming from. See it?
Yep. Oh, absolutely see it.
So
Oh, yeah, right there.
this line going under the floor to the sewerage is what's backed up.
Yeah. Yep, I
I
got
think
you.
that's something. All right, good luck. Appreciate it. All right, guys, I just left that job, and he's gonna call a sewage guy that does just drains, because I don't really do drains like that. I don't want no part of it. I have the equipment at home, but I don't like doing main drains. So whenever it gets to a main drain like that, I just refer someone else that does just drains, and he's a lot better at it than I am. So that's a combination storm and sewer in this city. So that's all rainwater that's coming down there. It's tying in. They tie in all the roof leaders and everything to the sewerage. So, but I seen a couple of floating eels down there. So, and I could tell it was sewerage. I went over by the pit. You really couldn't see, but it was all like gray water. So, I'm gonna call my buddy the drain guy and let him go over there and do it. He thought it was I thought, talking to him on the phone, it might have been the water pipe coming in the house. Might have been leaking. Because I told him to check the water meter last night, and he said it wasn't spinning. So I said, oh, maybe it's, you know. And he said it was clean water, it was no sewerage, so. Well, I guess he was mistaken. All right. It's all part of it. Yeah, to put the high waders on there to go in that job.